Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be playing Infinite Craft. So what's going to happen is that I drag these or something like that. So let's see what we can make some elements with. Water, let's go water and oil. Plant. It makes a plant. It's my first time doing this, so yeah. So wind and oil. Dust. Water and fire should make steam. Wind in the water make wave. Okay. Fire and wind make smoke. Makes sense. But anyway, make sure you like and subscribe so you can another video like this one. Okay. Let's see here. Earth and plant makes tree, and then smoke and steam make cloud, wave and plant. Seaweed, oh that makes sense. Dust and earth, planet, okay. So how about wind and planet, storm. I'm kinda sick still a little bit after, yeah. Let's see, how about plant and dust? Pollen. Plant and fire, smoke. Still makes smoke. And then my water and planet makes an ocean. Ocean and storm make what? Tsunami. Tsunami and pollen make honey. What is this? Okay, let's see. Honey and dust. Bee. Interesting. Seaweed and pollen. Okay. Tsunami and storm should make tsunami. Tornado. Tornado? Dang. Okay. Let's see if we can kind of get like something crazy here. Like, how can we try to get like I don't know. Maybe we can try to get like clouds or something like that. We already got cloud. Never mind. Cloud and planet we haven't done. Sky. Sky and honey make bee. That makes bee. Wind and wave make storm. Pollen and tornado. Allergy. Allergy and kill. Makes seaweed. It does make seaweed, okay. Never mind. Let's see what else makes what. Water and tornado. Tsunami. Maybe tsunami. Storm and tsunami should make tornado. Yeah. Kelp and tree. Seaweed. Wave and kelp. Probably seaweed. No surf. What? Cloud and surf? Surfing. Surfing. Tornado. Tsunami. Okay. Honey and surfing. Bee. So those dolphins for honey. Number one. Steam and surfing. Surfing. Okay. We got 25 items. So what's water and surfing? This surfing. How about surfing and out? Sneezing. Sneeze? Not sneezing. Sneeze. Seaweed and like this. Snot. Okay. I don't know what I did with that. Allergy. Okay. That makes sense. That makes like a lot of sense with that. Earth and some. Okay. Source and Google. Snot. Okay. How about earth and something? We've never done that. Beach. Okay. Beach and Wait, that just makes so. Okay. So how about beach and allergy? Sneezing. Okay. My mouse is glitching. Okay, let's see. Uh, um, yeah, I'm not doing Minecraft for 100 days no more because of it. So, or because it's like it's hard. It's not hard. It's just that I kind of want to do more things. I got like more ideas. So let's see what. Oh, seaweed and sky. Let's try that. Cloud. Okay, makes sense. Beach. We haven't done way with beach. Much with beach yet. Pollen. Algae. Let's see if we can get like one more, and this is going to end the video. Storm and sulfur. I haven't done that one yet. Sulfur. Okay. So that's gonna do it for this video, guys. You know, and make sure you like and subscribe so I don't miss another video. And I'll see you next time for another video. See ya!